everyone, my name is Magnificent Max. Uh, I've reached 51 subscribers, and in celebration of that, I've decided to play Friday Night Funkin' because I just recently found this game. Yes, I just recently found it. So, yeah. I'm going to do all of them. I'm going to do I think yeah. Okay, so basically, I'll explain this quickly. I've already done this in easy mode, like most of them. So I'm gonna do normal mode, and I'm gonna go back to the tutorial. So I guess you're just gonna see me rage for half an hour. So here we go. Alright, so if this is the tutorial, this one's not that difficult. Watch this. Okay. Look at my skills. Now those are some good skills. So I seen a lot of the ships and everything about this thing so far. So I also know I've also seen the trailer, so I know the main plot that I'm trying to get this girl person to and I have to please the father and stuff. How did I what? Down, down, up, down, down, right. I'm using only my right hand for this. This is my bad hand. Yep, yep. Easy peasy. And I got past the tutorial. It was the same as easy mode apparently. I just realized that. Well, let's do this stat guide then. It's he was easy on easy mode, so he shouldn't be any different in normal mode, right? Ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh. See, it's going easy. It's just like easy mode. This is easy. What is he, a monkey? He's a monkey. The monkeys are doing the monkey song. I wonder if that insulted any monkeys around the place. Ah-ee-oh. Ah-ee-oh. Also, I want to talk to you again about my channel's growing in a later episode and stuff. So for now, I'm just going to be doing some Friday Night Funkin'. Oh, well, we beat the dad at that one. Oh, the trailer music. I don't. Oh, no. You're good. But not be do. Oh, I love this song. Oh my, no. Oh, sorry if I'm being quiet, but I have to focus. This is not easy. This is not like easy mode now. Oh boy. Oh no, he's beating me. And also all that boasting I was doing. At least I'm doing better now, so. I'm about to say something boastful, I die again. No. I can't show you guys I die, because if I die, I'm going to be sad. Because I want to be the only one YouTuber who's never died to a boss or something. Oh, this guy. Oh, I love this part. He just starts beatboxing. Me out. I barely survived. My slides across side. Oh boy. Now the girl, as you can see here, the girlfriend's nodding her head furiously, left side. Anyways, let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Up, left, right, left. Oh my gosh, I can't control this. Oh my gosh, this is way too much. Down, left. Okay, nope, 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 nope. Okay. I'm keeping up with him. I don't need to get all of them correct, I guess. I don't think anyone could perfect the entire thing in hard mode without any training. Someone does hard mode and the first go and survives. I'm nervous with the mom rapping in the end, that's my thing. Oh boy. No, 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 no. I barely survived. Gosh dang it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so low. Nope. Nope. No! You were so close. Also, no face cam today. No face cam today. It sucks. Still, I think YouTube's gonna block the comment section anyways because they do it for the fun. Yo, boom, oh, I wanna go again. That fight. Oh no. I'm just gonna keep myself in the mix. Up, right, down, right, left. Up, down, no. I need to get myself some food after this. I'm very hungry. Okay. Oh, that was my dad. Oh, no. This is painful. This is not enough footage. I gotta fight the father again. And his big old mouth. Yeah, boom. Up, right, down, right, left. Oh, up, down, right, left, right. Oh, I'm so low. Oh my god, I'll beat him. I can't tell if this is a rage game like Cuphead or not. Why did I press down? Here we go. Left, right, up, down, oh gosh. Down, right, left, oh gosh, down, I just need to keep pushing him back and not let him push me back. Up, down, right, left, oh. Oh my gosh. I hope the girlfriend doesn't have to do any rapping. Like, oh my gosh, come on, just do something. And I've been back to the point bottom. I can't recover from this one. No, I don't want to die. I don't want to restart. I don't want to restart this all. No, I can't let this nonsense restart. Oh, right, no. Oh, delicious. Alright, okay, I need to stop pressing those buttons. That's the dad.
Wow.
Exactly. How am I losing to him on normal mode? It's not even hard mode. That sucked. Okay, this is the final time I'm doing this. I'm gonna just do Pico or something else. Oh, I'm at the bottom so already. Oh, this is not good. Okay, I'm gonna try and use worsted as well. It sounds crazy, but it might work. Finger in my mouth. Ah. Nope, it makes the things definitely worse. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna try something else. Let's do speakies. Woo, spookies. Woo, spookies. Go. I like these kids from Sir Pello. Pello, yeah, whatever. They're already beating me. Nah. Oh, I didn't die that time. Alright, let's try something completely different. Oh yeah, I don't even need. I can show you. I can't even beat the mother on easy mode. Watch this. I'm gonna die in easy mode. Why am I not doing? Wait, hang on. Oh, it's testing out. I didn't. I forgot. I was meant to press buttons. Oh my god. This is amazing. I can't even do it on easy mode. I can't do this later on easy mode. It is a rage game, yeah. Pop.
Only got 2 levels, that's why it's so hard.
How do you? Okay. Well, I wasn't the first person to play this, and I got a thank you for 51 subscribers to video to make because I'm doing this for every 10 subscribers I get. To make it like 60 subscribers, I have to do a thank you video. It's just how I do things. So sorry that if this video was pretty short. I gotta see you guys later though. Bye.